Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Tanvi's Kitchen. Today we are making something super special, super tasty and kids favorite garlic bread. Perfect as a snacks recipe or a cider. So let's get started. So I'm starting by chopping 3 green chilies. So in a bowl I have taken some Amul butter which is at a room temperature, the softened one. You can also take the unsalted butter. Into this, we will add our minced garlic. I am here using one whole garlic and I have chopped it very finely. So I will add into this butter, and you can also add coriander in it, and we will combine it well. Trust me, this is a flavor bomb. Into this, I'm also adding some herbs like oregano and chili flakes. So now for a garlic bread, I am using your baker's dozen garlic bread. It contains zero maida, no palm oil, and no preservative. You can use any of the garlic breads that are available at your nearby places. Now let's slice our bread. So I am here slicing it into a thick slice, and if you want, you can also cut it into half horizontally. It's up to your choice the way you prefer to have your garlic bread. So after slicing the bread, it will look something like this. After that, I am applying the garlic butter that we prepared earlier. You have to apply the generous amount of garlic butter so that you get that perfect flavor. So for few of the breads, I'm keeping it the plain garlic bread, and for some of them, I'm topping it with the green chilies to make that little spicy garlic bread, or you can call it as like a chili garlic bread. So for that extra taste, you can sprinkle some grated cheese on the top. So I am here using Amul's blended cheese, which contains mozzarella plus cheddar cheese. After that, I have again sprinkled some oregano on the bread. Now we can bake our garlic bread on the pan if you don't have oven or air fryer at your home. So we have to bake it for 5 to 10 minutes. If you have oven or air fryers, then we will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes until the cheese melts and it gives that light golden brown color on our bread. Look at that golden buttery garlicky perfection. It's absolutely crispy, soft, and garlicky, cheesy. Everything you want in a garlic bread. And a garlic bread is now ready. So it's a perfect snacks for any occasion, for small get-together parties or for any small munching. And if you like this video, enjoyed this recipe, then please like and subscribe to my channel for more such delicious, easy recipes every week. Thank you for watching.